Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be checking out Windows RG, and no, not the Flash game. So someone actually made a modification of Windows RG and it's based off of Windows ME, which is absolutely perfect. And by the way, if you don't know what Windows RG stands for, it stands for really good edition, you know, because yeah. So now, I will leave this linked in the description, but this is the Internet Archive page for where I got this ISO from. But you can see Windows RG modification of Windows Millennium Edition. As you can see from the screenshots, it looks like the Flash game. So that's nice. You can see that we've got the Windows RG card game. Very, very nice. You can see that we have this. So they modified File Explorer and stuff, so that's really cool. Ooh, we got the food option. I remember this. We got recycle bin. Yep. Yeah, it's safe to turn off your computer screen. We've got. Oh, yeah, that's perfect. It's perfect. Let's read the description. This is a modification of Windows ME inspired by the famous Windows RG parody. Install it on a computer or a virtual machine and experience it. What would it be if Windows RG was real? No, the CD drive is marked as X during the installation process. So as you can see, there is a Windows RG ISO, README, custom application code folder. It contains source codes for the other programs, a DLL help folder, a physical copy folder, and a concept of the physical copy of Windows RG, and preview photos. So yeah, it's really, really nice. So we're going to install it. So we're going to create a new virtual machine. Oh yeah, and I'll leave that in the description, so don't worry about that. We're going to select Windows Millennium Edition, Windows ME. We're going to call this one Windows RG. Yeah, and then we're going to give it 8 gigabytes of storage. So yeah, that should be pretty fine. Don't mind the background sound, trash guy or whatever is here, and they play that sound when they're here. Okay, so we're gonna give this thing 512 megabytes of RAM, obviously 1 CPU core, and for the CD drive, let's put in the ISO for Windows RG, which is right here, Windows RG. So we're gonna close out of this and click finish. So then we have our Windows RG virtual machine, and I'll be right back after setting up OBS. Alright, so we are back, and what we're going to do is we're going to turn on the virtual machine, put it into full stretch mode, and we're going to boot up now. And okay, so we're going to boot from CD-ROM, and we're going to start Windows setup from CD-ROM. I'm guessing we should do that, or maybe we don't have a partition. I don't know the installation because I haven't seen this yet, but yeah, I don't know if they've actually press any key to format the C drive and launch. Okay, and then you navigate to local partition from image, select Windows RG, wait until the copying part reboot, install drivers, click on the finish installation. Okay, so we are going to first press any key, and it's gonna launch the Ghost. So I think it's yes, it's Somatic. Okay, that's nice. So it's gonna launch Somatic Ghost because it's a Somatic Ghost image. I'm gonna click OK. We're gonna go to local partition to partition. There's no valid. Oh crap! How do we even do this? I don't know. I forgot what it said. Local disk or local partition from image. I'm pretty sure we gotta go to the C drive. Yes, WinRG. Okay, we're going to click on OK, and we're going to select our virtual hard disk, which we can't. We can't select it apparently. That's strange. How do we format this though? I don't know. So we're going to. How do we format this? I don't know how to format this. Okay, partition from image. We are going to change it to the CD. Go to this. Okay, so we have to click this. We have to format this. So, okay, select source partition. Okay, that's the partition. We can't, so, alright, I'll be back after figuring out how to do this again. So, yeah. Alright, so we're in DOS here, which I booted with CD-ROM support. So we're gonna do fdisk. Yeah, sure. We're going to create a DOS partition, a primary DOS partition, and verifying drive integrity. Yes, use the maximum size available. You must restart your computer. Okay, let's restart the computer. And missing operating system. Beautiful. Okay, we gotta boot off the CD, buddy. So, CD-ROM. Hello? CD-ROM. Alright, we're gonna open up this because we're probably gonna have to reboot several times. Okay, let's go into the BIOS. I never thought I was gonna have to go into the BIOS for this video, but apparently we do. So we're going to set CD-ROM device to first. We're gonna set the hard drive to next. Exit saving changes, yes. And now it should be booting again. I hope. Please. There we go, boot from CD-ROM. Start Windows setup from CD-ROM. And well, okay, so we have to go to local partition from image. Then we got to winrg.geto. Oh wait, we didn't. Oh yeah, we have to make fdisk first, obviously. Okay, so now it's actually formatting. So that's good. We had to go into fdisk and make the partition first. So yeah, that makes sense, guys. That makes perfect sense. Okay, for a second I thought it was. Oh yeah, it said remember to partition and format a new hard drive. Yeah. Okay, now it's calculating free space. So yeah, we're gonna have to do that. Install drive. Okay, we're not gonna have a drive label. Okay, so now it's gonna launch Symantec. Symantec Corporation, 1998 to 2008. Oh, there we go. So there's the actual thing. We're gonna do local partition from image. We're going to select the DVD drive. That's the fat drive. This is the CD drive. Go to here, click OK. Yes, now we can select it. Okay. Proceed with partition restore. Yes. Okay, perfect. So now it's restoring the Symantec Ghost image, and we have a progress bar. This is a weird progress bar. I've never seen this progress bar before. It looks pretty weird. But yeah, I mean, we are about we're like 41% complete. Okay. So what I think I'm gonna do is I think we should just do a time lapse. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Required DLL. Windows.dll was found. So Windows has deleted it. Yep, this is normal. So we have a okay. Windows has found a virus in explorer.exe. This file will be deleted. Okay. I mean, I guess you do you. Oh my gosh. There's no drivers installed, so it's just kidding. Alright, I think we should install VMware too. Oh gosh, there's a bunch of error messages. Look at how many there are. Is it gonna stop or no? Okay, we get it. Wait, what did it say? From here you can break your computer. Beautiful. I wanna break my computer. Oh gosh, we gotta close this. Okay. No. No. Oh god. At least there's sound though, so I mean, yeah. Can we just close out of this? We have to wait for the entire thing to load. Come on, man. Okay, let's open the start menu. Let's see. We've got Word, Windows Update. Okay, let's open up Word. So, Word RG. Register to James Webb. Who is James Webb? I don't know. Maybe that's part of the Office RG suite. Oh gosh, it is just gonna keep on reloading Word RG. No. Where is Word RG, man? Okay, there we go. The setup expects you to have a newer. Okay, it's nice. Okay, let's type in a document like hi, I'm 7Zeb, and this is Windows RG. It looks like you can't even see it. It's off screen. It looks like you're probably not writing a letter. Okay, don't help me though. I don't need help, man. I think I'm good, you know. Let's start with a word like milk. Okay, let's and sponge. I like sponges. Okay. Is that Clippy? Is it drawing Clippy? Oh my god, this is so slow. Okay, look, we got a paper clip. Clippy the paper clip. Cool. What is it gonna say now? Oh dear, I think I made it grand. Paperclip.exe is performed 94,708 illegal operations. It will now be shot. It's gonna be shot? What do you mean it's gonna be? Hey, why do I see blood? Oh god. Wait, why do I hear blood or why do I see? I don't know. I don't see the blood though. I don't know what he's on about. I mean, I don't see the blood. Do y'all see the blood? I don't know. Oh god, we got a red and yellow line. Yo, this is so trash. Look at this. Hey, do you see blood? Oh my gosh, the screen tearing. Look at how fast. Hey, why do I have blood? Word.exe has performed an illegal operation, killed a paper cut, and will now be arrested, and for that reason, closed. Well, that's fun. Windows.dll was found, so Windows has to delete it. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the start menu. Let's go to Windows Update. Is this just the actual Windows Update? Welcome to Windows Update Wizard. Click Next to begin. Yeah, about the next to begin. It's still loading, you know? Oh my god, this is absolutely beautiful. Oh, okay, there we go. Really good edition. Windows RG Update. Welcome to the Windows RG Update Wizard. So, the thing is, okay. Windows is checking for available updates. This is done with sending all your money. Okay. Unable to connect. This could be for several reasons. You smell, your house is green, or you're trying to be naughty. Okay. Unable to connect. Please try again later. Windows is broken. Please reinstall Windows. Windows has caused a general protection fault in update.exe. Please attempt to delete this file. Alright, well, hey, I wonder what Crash does though, you know? Let's save Crash for later though. Let's play some Solitaire. As you know, we got some, Solitaire. You can see there's all the cards. Oh my god. I'm gonna try to change the screen resolution. So, I wanna go to properties, just to, you know, change the screen resolution, because, yeah, 640 by 480 isn't really gonna cut it, you know? Is that the only resolution we have? We can't set it to anything else. You have to be kidding me. Well, I guess we're doing. We can play the original Windows RG if we want to. Hey, you know what? Let's do that. All right. What did they change Winver? Windows RG. Yep, they did. Okay. So let's order some food. You know, cause yeah, that's perfect. But we should order some food, guys. Me personally, I think we should just order some food. I think it's gonna be perfect ordering food. And what? Okay, we're just gonna wait for this to load, and then we can actually get into this. One of the many advancements in Windows RG is the ability to order food online. You can order from a huge selection of quality goods, and they will be delivered to your door within 30 minutes, 45 minutes off peak. But press OK to continue. Okay. The thing is, there is no OK. Oh my gosh, there's no OK button. Oh, okay, never mind. There is. Fine. Okay, so what are we gonna be doing? Please wait while we connect to our online database and retrieve all available meals. This may take a few minutes. Okay, hopefully it doesn't really take a few minutes. But guys, I wanna do some Windows RG stuff, you know? I wanna order some food. Well, is it seriously stuck? Where's my mouse cursor? My mouse cursor is gone. Oh god. Alright, so the things that you can order are prune juice. So let's order some prune juice, guys. You know, let's order some prune juice. Sorry, the food you ordered has sold out. But we will have more very shortly. Would you like to try again? Yes, I would like to try again. Yes, I would like to try again, please. Okay. Well, hey, at least we can go online, right, guys? Let's go online to Internet Explorer 7. I don't even know what that was, but whatever. Unable to connect. There are several reasons. You do not have an ISP, the internet is broken, or you're going to a site. Well, obviously I'm trying to go to a site. I explored. Anyways, we can now we can open up Paint. Yeah. So yeah, let's open up Windows RG Paint. Oh my gosh, look at how bad the paint was. That was probably painted paint though. So I mean, you can't complain about that. Where are the buttons and the colors? What is going on? What is going on? No, what is going on? We got yellow. Okay. Paint crashed, apparently. Paint.exe is performing an illegal operation for no reason. Oh, okay. Okay, so Paint opened again, apparently. And, I don't know, it's just very interesting. Paint opened? Very, very interesting that Paint opened, guys. So, I seriously don't know what's going on. I don't know what's, I don't know what's going on, man. Okay, we got yet another error, but we can't see what it is because, Paint is acting up, like, really, really bad. So, I don't know what it's trying to do, but, okay. I mean, I guess it could do that if it wants to. Yeah, so, the Paint apparently crashed the entire system, which sucks. So yeah, let's reboot. Cause yeah, we can reboot the system, right, guys? I think we can reboot the system, right? This thing is like painfully slow though, so I don't think that we should even do it. Let's yeah, no, personally I think we should just shut it down, you know, cause I really don't want to do this. Like, come on, I just don't. It sucks, and yeah, I just don't want to do this anymore. Oh wow, the VM just crashed. Well, that's perfect, and that's a great point to end off on this video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So yeah.